Hello guys, good afternoon. So today new topics. Okay, today topic is VS Code and Peter setup in VS Code. Okay, so we will discuss ESLint and Predator setup in VS Code in like as using React or like as you React Native. Okay, or nodes like this Node.js site. And yeah, you can means firstly I will explain you. Yes means your compile time issue, your code not properly way writing, then you using a ESLint. Preter means like as your code formatting, means like as a you sometime using a double quote, here is record single quote, you lastly semicolon is record, means like as a code formatting standard format, then we are mostly using Preter. And code compile time error, like as a you're declaring with unnecessary late, then automatically convert to const, yeah, like this. So then firstly, how I will tell you which extension you using VS Code and how to set up Eslint and Predator. It's very easy, not any complicated. So we are firstly, I have one React.js project inside. I will doing okay. So by default, mostly ESLint RC file creating like this. Already rules and all the defining here. Okay, and also here Predator RC is already like as a print width, row, semi, tab width, also already defined. But we need own rules also defining and like this. So firstly, I will tell you which extension firstly mostly used for ESLint interpreter. So ESLint for ESLint is very important. Preter for that one is very Preter code format. Okay, and after also I will saying you helpful for extension like as you using GraphQL, then Apollo GraphQL is also best. Azure side, then Apollo, also the Apollo accounts, sorry, Azure apps services available. Yeah, that one is also important code spell check. Means in case your application is some code mistake, like as here is twist, I type here twist, then here automatically detecting toast. If you click here, then automatically detected like this, yeah, twist. Okay, so very important code spell check. After that, yeah, get lines is very important. Get lines like is showing the when you editing the files and which you branch, like as I click on here, see episode 4 10 month ago, and session is committing, like as all the scenario is also compiling all the get related all the information shown. Okay, after that, yeah, you can you also your preter is important, so telvin you telvin cs is also best for styling and icons for like this, yeah, me showing the buttons, yeah, images component i5, yeah, similar for vscode icons is best. Okay, that I explained you. This is extension is very important for preter and other development perspective. So after that, how to set up ESLint? So you need a globally install ESLint and filter. Okay, it's okay. Then after that, after npm yeah, npx, okay, npx ESLint init. Sorry, npm, yeah, npx ESLint dash dash init. Yeah. So here is click to check syntax, find problems, and before encryption. After that, you select JavaScript because you mostly using JavaScript. Then, if in case you are a backend side code, Node.js similar, then you use a common JS. But here is I'm using React JS or React Native. Similar, the that one is both cases. So here is using JavaScript. Then after that, which you language you using? So here is using mostly React. Okay, you using a TypeScript? Yes, we are using TypeScript. Okay, and browser, yeah, obviously Node application. Yeah, after that, you popular framework type. Yeah, answer. Yeah, mostly popular types framework like which you are using. That one using Airborne. Okay. Then after that, here is select JavaScript. Okay. Yeah. Then you say upgrading your ESLint libraries and sub library install. Yes, I am installing all libraries. Yeah. After that, saying that one is library important for record your VS Code. So I'm saying here. So I'm mostly using yarn, not a npm. So in case you type here yes, then npm installing and creating package log file. So I'm here is not okay. After that, okay. After that, I'm saying yarn add dash there, and after that, paste all the packages installing your code. Okay. Yeah, all the packages are in installed successfully. Then we are going to dev dependency inside. So yeah, layer dependency. Yeah, here is very important. Firstly, ESLint, then ESLint config, event, filter, import, and here is filter for filter important. ESLint plugin React and filter. Okay, let's see here. One file is creating automatically. That file is very important. ESLint rc.js. Here you can apply your customized rule, extension here applying, plugins also here applying. Okay, not here defining like as a preter and some way. And also preter is very important file. Okay, that one. And also the VS Code setting inside the modify some changes. So here go firstly checking uh, format, yeah, format to save, yeah, that one, yeah, format on save. And second one, single line. Okay, like this. Yeah, single quotes is very important, check. And after that, you go to settings. So setting.js file is very important. So yeah, edit setting.js file, go to setting.js file. So here is I am passing the preter dot packets packet spacing is false, means see here is not I save on like this. Yeah, after that also the preter.js I will here mentioning, then also that one is work. And after that, yeah, two lines is very important. Default formatter is preter, VS Code is important, and format on save true. Yeah, two lines, and that one is all the preter related information is very important. Okay, so then I have already writing the rules and preter rules, so I just copy paste and yeah, applying that one. So going to here is, yeah, all the applying rules. Like as here is extension using plugin inside a preter, also the mentioning means, and also the role is defining. So that existing all the roles is copy pasting here. Going to here and pasting here. Okay. After that also preter I will copy. Yeah, preter.js. So here is mentioning like as a bracket space is false, and writing your own preter's rules. So I'm pasting here. Yeah, preacher.js. Yeah, okay, got it. So I'm pasting here. Yeah, all the setup is success. Sorry, preacher.js. Is required preacher.js. Okay, great, done. Then that one is file I will removing because we are using JavaScript, not a standard for. Okay, so that file is not required. Yeah, and also the ts config file JSON is very important file. Okay, so after that going to prettier.js. Okay, then eslint.js also okay. After that, go to your app.ts file, and here is any save. Then automatically your space is removed because Predator is handling properly. Then going to package.json, and here is checking Predator, and yes, the lint. Like as a firstly, we are showing linting issue. So npm run lint. Then your all the your linting issues paging. Just a second. Here that one is element TypeScript. So I will install. Yeah, yeah. Also, one file is very important. That because we are mostly using TypeScript. So yeah, that one is important. Yes, linked config where one TypeScript. So I will installing and add that there. Yes. Okay, so that file is installed successfully. Their dependencies inside because we are used here. See, here but TypeScript. So that one is I will record for your dev dependency. So after that, we applying the linting issue. Okay, npm run lint. Then you fetching all the npm linting issue. So parser. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, also that one is important library. Okay, this one. Yeah, so all dependency are installed. So after that npm run lint. So just a second. Yeah, see total how many errors in all the project. So error is 900 is all the errors in ES linting only a issue, and treater also the you can check also the npm run treater. Okay, also the treater all the issue is showing like here is firstly compiling, checking formatting, and showing the all the ESLint issue. So also one more point. So you going to any file, click on write and go to here format documentation with. If you selected by default different, then you mostly also use prepare preter code formatter is very important. In case using TypeScript by default ESLint, but not properly working. So preter is very important. Yeah, so and also here check is preter is showing like a preter and ESLint. So the most important. So that's it. Yeah, this one is tutorial for showing ESLint, and Twitter formatting is helpful for your writing code and improving your code quality and also the formatting. Also the your team is very big. So firstly, all team is set up ESLint Twitter and then continuous your development your project. Yeah. So thank you guys. Yeah, bye bye and take care. So also share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.